20 strange new species discovered by scientists over the last 20 years. Over the past 2 decades, scientists have continued to explore our planet, leading to the discovery of a wide variety of new species of fauna and flora. These new discoveries, large and small, help expand our understanding of life on Earth. Here's a look at some of the strangest species discovered over the last 20 years. Number 1. Peacock spider, Muratus volans. Scientist Jürgen Otto, along with his colleague David Knowles, discovered his first tiny, iridescent peacock spider in 2005 in Australia. The colleagues have since gone on to find 7 more of these small arachnids, which are known for their bright colors and elaborate courtship dances. There are now 48 known species of this cute little spider. Number 2. Glow-in-the-dark mushrooms, Mycena luxaterna. In 2009, scientists discovered new glow-in-the-dark mushrooms in a forest outside São Paulo, Brazil. The stems consist of a jelly-like substance, while the caps are about 8 mm, less than half an inch, in diameter. These new species help shed new light on luminescence in the natural world. Number 3. Psychedelic frogfish, Histiophryne psychedelica. Scientists discovered a new species of frogfish in Indonesia in 2009. This rare fish definitely lives up to its name, with its unique swirl pattern of orange and white, a type of camouflage that helps it avoid predators as it walks along the sea floor. Number 4. SpongeBob SquarePants mushroom, Spungiforma squarepantsii. Discovered in 2010 in Borneo, Spungiforma squarepantsii was named after the cartoon character thanks to its sponge-like appearance. The mushroom is unique in that you can wring water out of it and it will spring back to its original size. Number 5. Solenodon, Solenodon paradoxus. This curious-looking mammal was rediscovered in Haiti and the Dominican Republic in 2007. The Solenodon is a curious animal, similar to a plump rat with multicolored fur and a long nose like that of an elephant shrew. According to researchers, Solenodons constitute an ancient mammal lineage that diverged from all other living mammals around 76 million years ago, during the time of the dinosaurs. Number 6. Klingon newt, Tylototriton anguliceps. Tylototriton anguliceps was discovered in 2015, in the remote region of Greater Mekong, Thailand. The Klingon newt is named after a Star Trek humanoid species due to the bright orange ridges atop its head and down its back, which are reminiscent of the Klingon forehead. Number 7. Dementor wasp, Ampulex dementor. Another creature with name origins rooted in popular culture, that the Dementor wasp, a species of cockroach wasp, was discovered in Thailand in 2014. The wasp was named after the Harry Potter creatures due to its seemingly demonic nature. It can turn its victims into zombies. Number 8. Wolfgang Boehm's Ethiopian chameleon, Trioceros wolfgangboehmi. Named after the senior herpetologist at the Zoological Research Museum Alexander Koenig, ZMFK, in Bonn, Germany, Wolfgang Boehm's Ethiopian chameleon was discovered in the Bale Mountains of south-central Ethiopia. This reptile lives in small trees and bushes and is marked by a crest of large spiny scales along its back and tail. It is thought to be a species complex, meaning it is part of a group of chameleons that contains multiple species, the number of which is still unknown. Number 9. Giant pink slugs, Trigoniophorus af. Griffii. Discovered in 2013, these large, bright pink slugs thrive in the unique yet fragile ecosystem at the top of Mount Koputar, Australia. While the slugs spend most of their time under the leaf mold, they come out in droves at night or after rain, providing an excellent opportunity to photograph them. Number 10. Transparent frog, Hyalinobatrachium yaku. Discovered by a team of researchers in 2017, this small transparent frog boasts translucent skin, making it possible to view its internal organs. Named after the word for water, yucca, in the local Quechua language, this little frog that dwells in the Ecuadorian Amazon is especially unique because, unlike similar semi-transparent frogs, you can even see its heart through its skin. Number 11. Bonehouse wasp, Deuterogenia osarium. Discovered in China in 2014, the bonehouse wasp stands out for building a nest for its young with the corpses of dead ants, thus the name bonehouse. According to researchers, the wasp blocks the entrance to its nest with dead ants for protection against parasites. The chemicals on the ants' exoskeletons, used to communicate and recognize one another, serve to keep parasites and predators at bay. Number 12. Greta Thunberg's rain frog, Pristomantis greta thunbergi. Named after the most renowned environmental activist of our time, Greta Thunberg's rain frog was discovered in 2022 on Mount Chiconte, an isolated mountain range surrounded by tropical rainforest in Panama. The species is named after the young activist to honor her environmental work. The plight of the Greta Thunberg rain frog is closely linked to climate warming, as rising temperatures would destroy its small mountain habitat, said the researchers in a press release. Number 13. Rice's whale, Balænoptera rice. Announced as a new species in 2021, Rice's whale is a critically endangered species with fewer than 50 to 100 individuals left. The whale resides in the northeastern Gulf of Mexico and, though closely related to the Bride's whale, it is recognized as distinct. Rice's whale measures up to 12.5 meters, 41 feet, in length and can weigh up to 27,200 kilograms, 60,000 pounds. Sadly, the number of Rice's whales diminished by over 20% after the devastating BP oil spill in 2010. Number 14. The Yeti crab, Kiwa puravida. The first Yeti crab, a single male specimen, was discovered in 2005 off the coast of Easter Island. A second species, Kiwa puravida, was discovered in 2011 off Costa Rica. Scientists found larger numbers of this species that is easy to recognize by its unique, furry appearance. The crab does a curious dance or arm-waving movement to collect bacteria on its body and claws for food. Number 15. Leaf-tailed gecko, Saltuarius eximius. Discovered in 2013 by two biologists, the new species of leaf-tailed gecko finds its home in a drier, rockier habitat. This particular species of leaf-tailed gecko, the seventh to be discovered, is found only in the uplands of the Melville Range, Cape Melville, Australia, thereby extending the region where these reptiles are located. Its large, unique appearance with its leaf-shaped tail provides excellent camouflage. Number 16. Scops owl, Otis bichela. In 2022, ornithologists discovered a new species of the Scops owl in the forests of Principe Island, off the western coast of Africa. This particular owl is brown in color, which helps with camouflaging against tree bark. The discovery of this small bird is especially exciting at a time when biodiversity on the planet is under enormous threat, and reminds the public how important it remains to document species in the face of human-driven extinction. Number 17. Giant Bolivian water lily, Victoria boliviana. In 2022, a giant water lily was uncovered at Kew's Herbarium, which houses a large collection of dried plant specimens in the United Kingdom. It was recently concluded that the herbarium is actually home to a new species of giant water lily, Victoria boliviana, which was previously mistaken for Victoria amazonica. Using data and expertise, a group of experts were able to prove that Victoria boliviana is indeed a distinct species. The giant water lily is now believed to be the largest of its kind in the world, with leaves spanning 3 meters, 10 feet. Number 18. Chocolate frog, Synapturanus danta. In 2022, researchers discovered a new species of burrowing frog in the Peruvian Amazon. The discovery has garnered a lot of attention because of its unique appearance which resembles chocolate. Number 19. Tapir Valley tree frog, Thlalicohyla celeste. Another small species of tapir frog was discovered in 2022, the Tapir Valley tree frog, found in the Tapir Valley Nature Reserve wetland in Costa Rica. The frog was discovered by a Costa Rican naturalist and farmer who noticed the unusual sound of the frog's call. Number 20. Rose-veiled fairy wrasse, Cerylibris finifenma. In 2022, a Maldivian scientist described a new fairy wrasse fish, which was named after the country's national flower. The Maldives is home to hundreds of species of fish, so the discovery of a new one is an exciting event. Its discovery is also another opportunity to promote the importance of protecting the world's precious coral reefs, where the rose-veiled fairy wrasse resides. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope the video was informative. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, buddy. See you in the next video, buddy. Bye.